welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I got another phone unboxing for you. This time is by a company called Xiaomi. I think it's Xiaomi, might be Xiaomi. Not sure how to pronounce it fully, but let's go with Xiaomi. Anyways, guys, this phone is the POCO X4 Pro. So I picked this phone up on Amazon for under $300. It's supposed to be a mid-range flagship phone, mid-range spec phone, should I say. Not really flagship, but not too bad. So it has a 6.7-inch display, and it has a full HD display on the front with 108 megapixel on the back. So without further ado, let's check this thing out. So box feels a little solid, hefty. So I'm hoping that means it has a charger in it like the last couple phones, but I guess we'll see. So let's see what it says on the package. So this one is the 6 gigabytes of RAM model with 120 gigabytes of storage and the laser black edition. So let me grab this unboxing knife, open this thing up. One of these days, I'm gonna cut Batman. I already know it. Better him than me, though. Shout out to all the new subs. I really appreciate you guys. The channel is continuing to grow like crazy, so it wouldn't be where it is without you guys. I appreciate it. At the 100 sub mark, just so you know, I will be giving away that Game Seer controller, so stay tuned for that. If you guys are interested, I'll be probably creating a video to announce that. But all right, let's see what we got here. It says POCO. This right here. There's the phone. Let's see what we get in this package here. Ooh, look at that. Is this a case? Just toss this over here. Before we get to that case, just a regular user guide and stuff. I recommend reading this stuff. Find out some stuff you didn't know about the device. Looks like you get a nice little case here. I really love when they add these cases and screen protectors, especially for $300 when we're spending $1,500 and $1,300 on these iPhones and S22 Ultras. It's a nice little touch for $300. Basic case, but you know, it's okay. What else do we get in the box here? It's the device. Let's just save this device for last. It does feel good. Open this up. Whoa. Might need an adapter for this. Looks like it's the European model as far as charging the device, but look at the brick. 67 watt brick. Can you see this? 67 watts for under $300. That's a win for Xiaomi. What else do you get? So let's set this over here. Definitely probably need an adapter for that if the prongs are gonna fit in our American outlets. But nice little cable. So this looks like USB type C, USB type A. Nice little color detail here. Throw this to the side. Now for the main event. So it does have a couple of the specs. So it looks like it's 120 hertz full HD display, AMOLED display, 108 megapixel. So that's the the main camera on the back here. Looks pretty cool. What else? Snapdragon processor, and then yeah, 67 watt turbo charger. Not mad at all. Feels pretty good in the hand. Nice solid device. You guys can see this. So you got those cameras on the back. Speaker grill down here. USB type C charging port. Looks like this is where you would get to your SIM card. Nothing on this side. On the top looks like another speaker grill with a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. These budget phones are winning, guys. This X4 is feeling solid. See if it has any juice. Let that power up. So guys, like usual, what I'll do is do a quick camera test followed by quick game test and a speaker test, and then we'll wrap this thing up. Pretty decent. All right, I'll throw my information in this thing and then I'll transition. Guys, I got my information thrown into the X4, and so far I gotta say it's not a bad device. Pretty responsive. Just going through the OS, not bad. It does have 120 hertz, so it should run smooth. But let's go ahead and jump into a camera test. We'll just take a picture of what I got on the desk like usual, and then I'll toss these pictures up so you guys can see. So 108 megapixel on the back. Doesn't look too bad. Not too bad, but I wouldn't say that this is like the S22 Ultra or anything like that. I would say the S22 Ultra does look a little better as far as camera quality, but the S22 Ultra wasn't $300. So let's jump into a sound test real quick. I got YouTube, got the channel loaded up, so let's give it a listen. So this is the top speaker here, bottom speaker here. Not a bad sound. Here's Max. Not too bad at all. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into some gaming.
Blueprint acquired. Oxygen. Copper is an essential component of all powered equipment. Your probability of survival has just increased to unlikely. Life on this planet grows in unusually distinct and diverse ecological biomes. Further study recommended. Oxygen. Oxygen.
So guys, all in all, this POCO X4 Pro is not a bad phone. I actually enjoy this phone. It feels smooth and responsive. The fingerprint scanner works very well. It looks nice on the back. The back has like a glass filling, but it feels very sturdy. And for $300, it came with a case, a charger. You can't really beat that, especially nowadays. So these budget phones are definitely winning. Camera quality, not too bad. For $300, it's more than I expect. This phone's pretty cool, guys. I would recommend this device, especially for a starter phone or just a side phone or just a decent cheap phone in general. I'm not complaining here. Shout out to Xiaomi. Nice job with this POCO X4 Pro. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Budget phones are killing it, guys.